Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you A Village of Scoundrels. So in this book we have forging documents, smuggling people across the border, and carrying coded messages. And all of this is being done by a group of very brave teenagers. So this is based on a true story of some French villagers in World War II who saved thousands of Jewish people's lives just by doing what they thought was right. Among them is one Jewish boy who learns that he can forge documents and ends up saving his mother in the process. But then he goes on to use those forging skills and save hundreds of other people as well. We have a girl who overcomes her fears and starts carrying those secret coded messages for the resistance. And then we have another boy who is smuggling people across the border to Switzerland. So all of this is very dangerous work. And these people are living in a hotel where there are tons of German police right around them. So one day, the Gestapo shows up with a list and their guns, and these kids' names are on the list. So with time against them, they must do everything that they can to save as many people as they can. And they want to make sure that their friends are safe as well. So to find out what happens, read Village of Scoundrels. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.